Google just received the biggest update in its history. AI is going to take over Google Search. Here's everything you need to know and how to access it early for free. Google is going to put AI results above all others, so there's no need to click on links. The information comes right to you. Unlike ChatGPT, Google is also providing sources, so it will become super easy to check the information by clicking on the links. This is going to be great for research and citations for students. No longer will you need to keep starting new searches. You can ask the AI for more information in a single click. This is going to really speed up the way we find new information. This one is quite exciting. You can generate code straight from your Google search. This will hopefully save developers a lot of time. To give these features a try for free early, visit this link and click on the Get Started button below Google Search. Are you excited for the new future of Google Search? Let me know what you think. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of 2,000 plus AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.